Okay, so we just arrived at our homestead. It is late in the evening, and we are very excited to see because we should have running water now, at least outside. And there's something here. Let's go take a look. We have some visitors in our field. If you watched our last episode, you'll remember the giant drilling rig that bored our new well. We're now back after they finished installing the pump, and we're about to test the water for the very first time. This is the electricity for pump, and there's a switch to turn it on.
Shall we try?
Yeah, we should. I want to try it. Outlet on the wall now. Newly installed. We're going to dig a ditch and put the cable in the ground, but for now we're just using this power extension cord.
I need a bucket.
Okay.
A bit dirty. Doesn't matter. Woo! Is it long enough? No!
Okay, but if we move this bench, I think it's just long enough. Okay, there's a...
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. So, no.
Okay, we need to buy a longer power cord.
Oh,
Woohoo!
is it going? Woo!
Okay,
We need a longer.
turn on the switch. No, you need to turn on the switch.
Ah. Oh.
Okay. I don't
Hold
know.
it.
I don't know.
I hear something. Ooh. Yeah, you have to hold it.
Yeah, water.
Drinking water.
Okay, let's get a cap and taste it.
Yes.
Okay, let's see how clear the water is.
It's yellow. Is it yellow?
No, but it's
Sandy?
sandy.
What?
Oh.
Do it?
To
Do it
let it run
Let it run sometime.
for a while.
Doesn't look drinkable.
Doesn't look too good.
Oh.
Oops.
Whoops.
Looks like it's full of
And we didn't bring any
sand.
water.
Let's let it just run for a while.
Shall we? Yeah, we could do the potatoes.
I hope it will clear up.
Let's look now. You can see the sand.
It's still not good.
Did you say something?
You mean the boring company?
Yes.
No, they haven't.
Is there
I
a
haven't talked.
guarantee?
I haven't talked to them. It doesn't look very clean.
I can't drink that, I think.
Okay, we are inside after having and a not so successful test of the well water. We learned that it takes a couple of days to clear up, and there's still no electricity in the kitchen, so we're back to candles, but that can also be very cozy. Romantic. Okay, so we just had a candle explode, and because the match got stuck and the flame was in contact with the glass, and then it just exploded. We can't even get the candles working today. So now we got glass on our bread. We're off to a good start. Okay, so we hopefully cleared away all the glass shards. And we're resumed our meal, and hopefully we'll go to bed soon.
Without any more accidents.
Without any more accidents.
That's what my husband is doing today.
We contacted the well company, and they told us to run the water as much as we could for it to clear up. The only problem is that the switch doesn't lock. So here I am, standing in the rain for hours on end, manually holding down a button. I really need to do something about this switch. Here is a picture after some hours. It's much better, but it's still not drinkable.
Next, we headed down to check on the potatoes. It's been 20 days since we planted them, and to our relief, they've sprouted. Small green shoots are just breaking through the soil. It looks like our no-dig method is actually working so far. Keeping our fingers crossed.
As you might remember, we bought this used kitchen complete with all appliances for only about $700. Our plan is to reuse as much of it as possible. Since we want to install the kitchen, we need to finish the kitchen walls. As you can see, the spruce has turned yellow. This is the original color down here. And this is how it looks after some years. It's turned yellow.
We use this cleaning agent special for pine wood. After we clean the wall, we are going to use one coat of this white color and one coat of kongla, this color.
And these are stains, so it's not paint, so we will be able to see the wood through the color. This cleaning agent is like slime. The rag is turning yellow. Walking through the silent forest, we are reminded of why we are doing all of this. We don't live here full time yet. Every week we split our time between the homestead and our jobs in the city. Changing everything at once can be terrifying. We believe that a gradual transition can make this dream possible for more people. It all starts with taking that first step. Right now, we're building infrastructure and learning the skills to become more self-sufficient. The ultimate goal is to generate new income streams, live off this land, and stay here 100%. This channel is about that journey, our struggle to tear loose from the city. That is our long way home. Lost in thought, I practically stumbled over a big owl. It took off right in front of us and settled in this tree.
Even though we just startled it, it seems so calm now, just studying us. Anyone know what kind of owl this is? This is the first time we have ever seen an owl in the wild, and to experience it like this so close to our home feels almost magical.
Fast forward a couple of days, I'm digging a ditch to lay the power cable for the well pump. In the background, the hose is running to clear out the water. And yes, I finally managed to modify the switch so I don't have to stand there holding it down all day. Okay, so the electrician was here and put the cables in the ditch I just dug. So now I won't have to use this power extension cord. He also moved the switch and put in a timer inside this box. So every time I press this button, the pump will run for 5 minutes. Okay, let's try it out. Takes a while to pump the water up all 66 yards. There you go. Nice pressure as well. And now it will run for 5 minutes or until someone clicks the button again. Like that. This is exactly the setup I wished for, so I'm really happy about this. Next step is to install the pump and the water tank in the basement, where we will pour water from the outside the faucet and distribute the water to the kitchen and the sink in the bathroom. It's a beautiful morning here at the farm. I think I'll just sit here and drink my morning coffee and listen to the birds. It's really peaceful and I'm not missing the city. I hope I can find a way to make some money off this land and stay here more and more. But let's take a look at the potatoes. They are probably eaten by the moose and the deer. It doesn't look too bad. Okay, so the idea here is to use this Osmo oil. First one layer of white. I'm going to use this brush to just distribute it on the wall, and then use these easy pads to rub it into the wall. I've never done this before, so wish me luck. It's really runny. Oh, that's very white. Looking a lot like paint. That's better. Oh, that's very nice actually. The cloth I'm using is getting pretty saturated. I think I'll have to change it. Okay, so this is a while later. I don't know how long I used, but it's quite tiresome because you have to rub away all the excess oil or paint so that it's completely dry, especially since I want another layer on top later.
To top off a good day, the well water is finally running clear. We still need to send in a sample before we dare to drink it, but having clean water for everyday chores is such a huge win for us. In the next episode, things take a dramatic turn when an accident sends us straight to the ER. But the work on the farm continues with firewood, potatoes, and more house progress. We'll see you in the next one.